Using a boundary pad to dry the nail bed, prepare the clear powder and 2 colors mixed together. Later we're going to do the marble design. Prepare the number 1 base. Apply the base to your entire nail and brush evenly. And then dip into the clear powder. Take out. Brush off any excess powder. Prepare the number 1 base again. Apply the base to your entire nail and brush evenly. And make sure for every layer, brush evenly. And turn around your hand and let the nail plate stick with the powder. Brush off any excess powder by the brush. Because our powder is fast drying dipping powder, it could be dry within 30 seconds by itself. So after 30 seconds, we are going to prepare the nail buffer. Using the buffer to do the buffing slightly on the nail plate. Brush off any dust particle. Prepare the nail sticker you like. We select the silver butterfly nail sticker today. Prepare the tweezer. Using a tweezer to help you to pick the nail sticker you like. This kind of the sticker is self-adhesive. Using your finger and the tweezer to help to press it and let it stick with your nail plate. Using the tweezer again to choose another nail sticker design. And put it on the nails. And using the finger or the tweezer to stick with the nail plate. Prepare the clear powder and the number 1 base. Apply the base to your entire nail again. And brush evenly for your nail plate. And then dip into the clear powder. Let the clear powder to protect your design. After 30 seconds, we are going to do the filing by the nail machine. File off any bumpy place. Do the shaping by the nail file. And grinding the nail surface more evenly by the nail buffer. Prepare the number 2 activator. Apply the activator to your nails only 1 time. Prepare the number 3 the top. Apply the top to your entire nail, brush evenly. Apply the top again when the first layer half dry but still sticky. Wait around 1 minute. Finish.